Do you know what I hear when I hear fuego? Fuego. F-W-E, dry. G, God. O, it's a letter. It's orator. Orator, right? In the time of the Greco, the Greece in the, not the Greece like the fire Greece, but the Greece like Greco, the land, the cartographer map. It was Delphi, yeah. D-E-L, right? The deity, the L, yes. The phi, the PHI, yes. Well, that's one of the characteristics in the special numerics of the way we were born in the Roman. So we had the orator, we had the Adelphi. She's Adelphi, she was Delphi. See, what else we have? We have the Nix, right? That explains the story. Then we have, oh boy, we have a whole new, right? Not the Cretans I like. I like the Cretans of the creatures of the other, not the non-humans. The humans are always the issue when they speak, especially when they go this long with nobody giving them turn. Yeah, we haven't given them the vinegar in the turn, and they don't seem to be vinegaring with each other for some reason. Although they seem to tell one another on the radio, the fuego. That's like, away we go. Yes, Mario from Nintendo, the ninja of the cesspool. Oh, you didn't think we noticed? We have a special word and nickname. Mario. M-A-R-I-O. KON. It's either K-O-N, C-O-N. DUTO. Like diarrhea. Yeah, it's with the DUTO. It's a DUTO. It's a D-U-T-Y, D-U-T-O, something like that. That's where you dig the hole and then you just hover until you're finished. Yeah, well, there you are. That's what your Mario Conduto and your Nintendo, of your ninja way of getting in through the back door of somebody else's whole entire life and the life before and the 3 lives before that. That is what you have done to everyone, all the children.